Alright everybody, we back with another video. So I did actually film this video yesterday, but I deleted it by accident, so I have to redo it. So actually it's gonna be good for me to actually put more work in editing, how to film it, how to install the equipment. So it's actually a plus for me because I'm actually benefiting of working more. Even if the content didn't come out, it was kind of good. I'm just gonna do the same one, but I'm gonna do it way better. So USDC depegged a couple days ago. It went from 9 to 90 cents. Not only the USDC coin depegged, also the Dogecoin depegged, also the USDT depegged. So there was a lot of stable coins that actually depegged in the past week. So there was a lot of stable coins that did depeg this week, but it was actually an advantage for some people. Some people bought the USDC coin as a premium for a 10% return. So a lot of people just bought it. Some rich people, some people in my area, some people I seen on Instagram. I even seen someone send a long position on the USDC coin with a very low margin call, and was already in profits in big, but it was from 94 cents to 94.5, only from 50 cents. But I think he got liquidated because it went up down to 90 cents. So that money glitch didn't really work for him. The USDC coin is actually crashing based on the fundamentals of the Silicon Valley Bank that actually went bankrupt. That's one of the biggest bank in crypto on 17 banks in the world. Crash in bank history of the US. So that is very bad. And 3% of USDC coin was in that bank. So it was $3 billion. USDC had 20% of the reserve in 7 different banks around the world. So now with this, everybody is scared. Everybody's panicking. But there was some people that were actually able to make money. Us, what we was able to do is get in good entries in our investments that we wanted for the future. There was actually cryptos that went up like Fetch AI, AGIX, and Render. Those are cryptos that I'm interested in, but I'm waiting for the AI wave to calm down. It did crash, but there was a whole global crash in the crypto market. So now I'm just waiting for it to fade away so I could keep DCing in 2 of these projects. I won't buy Fetch AI. Also, I wanted to accumulate maybe some H-bar on the side because I never got into H-bar, but we did get into Matic for under $1. That is very rare. Not a lot of people did that. We was patient. We waited 3 months. Also, the people that invested in December in our group are up. So we invested in December. We went up. So we was in the profit. Now we're down, but we're still in the profit and we're still accumulating. Not for this year, not for next year, but for the next bull run. If it comes in 2024, 2025, or 2026, we don't really care. We're not watching price. We're just watching how much coins we could accumulate for the next bull run. With that, there was the Silvergate collapse bank. Now there's the Silicon Valley Bank that collapsed, that depegged other coins like the USDT that is on the Tron network. I don't even like Tron no more because their transactions, the price of their transactions went up. They did an upgrade on their network and the price of their transaction went up on the Tron network. So I never used it, but I don't even like it. And plus their USDT been depegging since Luna. I stayed away from this type of token. So with the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, people are not able to take some money out of Western Union. There's a lot of complaints. People are panicking. They don't understand. People think there was money that came out their accounts. Also, Roku, one of the biggest company, had a lot of money invested in the Silicon Valley Bank. So for them and the people invested in the Roku stock is a very bad and could become in more bad news. Actually, people might not even get paid this Monday, tomorrow, if the government doesn't intervene and react to the crash that happened in the Silicon Valley Bank, and that could come with more job losses. But I think that could make the Fed pivot from 0.5 basis point to 0.25, or we could even see them not put in the interest rate no more because things are starting to break in the market, and that's what they needed to make sure that their tightening was working. And they were tightening so much that now banks are collapsing. I'd be very scared to keep my money in a bank. That's why I keep everything in a ledger. I'm very cautious of sending money to Binance or any exchange before sending it out to my ledger because I'm scared that they do an exit scam or exit liquidity on anybody. It could happen anywhere. It happens in business. That's the part of business that people don't want to talk about. They always want to talk about the wins. Canadians were not able to buy crypto with our bank cards on Binance, it doesn't let us know more. So we're able to buy it off of ShakePay, and we send the money off ShakePay, the BTCs, to Binance, and then we trade to what we want and send it to our ledger. You could go on KuCoin and buy it directly if you want. They would let you buy. Crypto.com would let you buy. I don't know why Binance is giving me problem of authentication, but before I was able to buy with my card with no issues. Coinbase will let you buy, but I only use Coinbase to sell my crypto because it's an easy way for them to send my money to PayPal. Also, Binance, I never sold crypto. Crypto.com, I never sold my crypto to them. Really, the best way for me to cash out was always with Coinbase and PayPal, but I never tried cashing out with ShakePay. I should try it once and see how it goes. I know the fees for Coinbase is kind of high when you sell crypto, but it's a nice way to receive it in your bank account, and it's instant. Binance and all these other exchange, I had to wait a couple days. Another way to sell your crypto to someone you know and transfer him the crypto. So those are 3 ways, and the 4th way is to get a crypto ledger card or a crypto.com card, but I would go with the crypto ledger card because if crypto.com goes bankrupt, you're done. Your card is no use, but I don't think Ledger would never go bankrupt. You guys gotta stay safe out there because it's like the Wild Wild West. Yeah, so the price of crypto was so high in the last years. I was wondering how I was gonna make money. Was the price gonna stay that high? Is this the bull run that people are talking about, that prices will never come back? Because once the financial system switch up, it might never go back like it was, going up, down, and it might become stable like every other market that has a lot of money in it. Yeah, so I want you to do is always do your own due diligence, do your own research, also verify into projects, and also track your investment. Tracking your investment is very important during the year or during the month, during the week. Always look at it, see what it goes, the fundamental, try to study it, try to find real world value in the crypto you're invested in and what holds and who's behind the program. So always track your investment, and that's all I wanted to talk about today. I wish I had that video from yesterday that I did, but I think that right now I just put in more work and more precision on what I was trying to say, and I added even things that I forgot in the other video I wanted to edit yesterday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It'll let you guys on this. I'm gonna be happy to edit this video and see how it goes out. But for anybody following me, I know you're gonna make it and you might even get rich, so don't stop. Watch the investments, see what we're going on. And I wanted to add that I did add this morning 2 gambling tokens to my portfolio, and those is 100% gambles. It's not an investment. It's a little fluky and baby fluky, and those are really investments made off of Elon Musk tweets. If he doesn't tweet, I don't care. I might add a little bit more money into baby Doge and fluky, but for that I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna add like a $75 more into both of them, so $200, and I'm leaving that there, and I'm going back to cryptos like HBAR, Chainlink, Dotmatic, and we're gonna see Render. I really want Render, and also AGIX. So with that, goodbye, man. See you guys soon, and I hope you have a good day, man. Stay up.